So much fun filling the container with cold water. Look what happens when I turn it to a little warmer. A little warmer. Taste it. Notices it's warm. Stands up to take care of business. Turns it cold. Feels it. Sits back down. Let the filling commence. Taste it to make sure it's still cold. All is well. Oh, checking the water. Still cold. Let the filling continue. If I turn the water to warm, and you taste it, oh, tries to fill. Taste it again, oh, warm water, goes back up. Make sure it's cold, sit down. This video is only 1:30 seconds, but this has been going on for multiple minutes. Baby getting tired. Time to turn the water off. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.